Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to take off this rubber seal on 2022 onboard Lexus NX450. Of course, new NX, new design, everything. So this seal is new designed. First you have to take off this weather strip, and for that weather strip need to take off the door panel, what you can see all on the previous video. And come on, I know, come off. And all the way this one have a clip, so you have to very small trim tools, and you need to try from this way all the way. If you do some other tool, it's very easy to broken, and this 8 clip is not cheap. So very important, don't this way, use this way, because if you use this way you pressing together the clip and very easy to come off. Luckily no double side tape. Okay, and then just, I don't know how I pull out this, but this one somehow is come off. Maybe I just, let's move. And that's it. Just a little bit pressed together. The bottom is very strong, hard. Yeah, and this is a correct way to take off without any damage or any cost this bad design seal. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.